What's up, everyone? Mr. Jones here for my unboxing fall 2020 video. I got my shirt on from my fall 2019 unboxing. Thanks, Annalie. We're now going to talk about the spring 2020 unboxing video. Anyway, let's get to the box. It's kind of big, a little heavy. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Oh, sweet. Reads. I'm going to blame so many wrong notes on these things. Yeah. Let's see what else is in here. Got a violin studies book, a couple of music scores, Maiden Voyage 54 jazz classic. Let's see, what's this? Oh, sweet. Microphone, gonna need that for the recording. If you don't have a microphone at home, you can always use your phone or Chromebook. The bottom. Oh, it's like a lunchbox. Go, 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 go! Windows 10 tablet. Sweet. Surface Pro touchscreen. Let's go. It's going to be a good school year. Hey everyone, that was my unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.